Hello everyone, let's make this healthy and delicious paratha today. So I'm going to use a whole wheat flour. I'm using this bronze chief whole wheat flour. You can use any whole wheat flour, and we are going to combine some oats. So this is a quick 1-minute oats which I have taken 1/4 cup and ground it into the flour, and we are going to use some loose oats to sprinkle and 1 cup of whole wheat flour. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Let's begin. Take 1 cup of whole wheat flour in a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of grounded oats, half teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon of oil. You can also use ghee if you like. And we are going to knead the soft dough using water. So just add water slowly. ये बहुत ही healthy पराठा है. And I have used about a half cup of water. आधा कप पानी लग गया है और बहुत ही सॉफ्ट आटा हमें तैयार कर लेना है. उस पर थोड़ा सा तेल लगा के थोड़ा चिकना कर लेते हैं. So I'm going to apply some oil and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now take a rolling board and I'm going to take some dough, roll it into a loose flour, and we're going to make a flat like a roti. Just make as much as big as possible. It doesn't have to be round. Apply some oil, or you can also use ghee if you like. Sprinkle some oats like this and fold it. So I have folded like this so I can make a square paratha. Now using the loose flour, just roll it flat like this, maintaining the square shape. So it's rolled now, and it's you can see the thickness. Now heat tawa or pan, and we are going to roast on both sides until we see brown spots like this. अच्छे से सेक लेना है इसे. थोड़ा सा तेल लगाएंगे हम. Apply some oil or ghee on both sides, and by gently pressing, roast the paratha like this, and it's ready. Now when you serve it, add some butter or ghee on top of it, and here you can incorporate oats into your daily paratha or roti just like this, which will make your meal more healthier. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and enjoy this delicious crispy on outside but soft on inside, and you can see all the oats in it. Enjoy this. It tastes heavenly delicious, and thank you for your support. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.